So this is the VS Code extension. Then once you install our Okahu AI Observability tool, then you should be able to see it. Then there is an option to add a Okahu Cloud account. Once you select this, you should be able to add Okahu API key. Once we enter the Okahu API key, you should be able to see the Okahu Cloud account get added here. So just expand this, then you should be able to select your workflow in your Okahu Cloud account. Then under the workflow, you should be able to see the traces. Not only the traces, you can see multiple facts here, either agentic turns or sessions or whatever it is. So now we selected traces. So let me show one of the trace here. This is from the ADK travel agent. Let me bring up here. So user is trying to book a flight and hotel. So that is the scenario here. We have a trace. And now I'm going to submit a eval for this trace. So before that, so we have an option to create a custom evaluation template. So basically, if you click on this, it will give you a template wherein we can give the eval template name and eval prompt and description about this and what are the labels we wanted to see. So everything we can key in. Then finally, it will look like this. Your name and then what are the labels after you run. So this is a template which is ready now. So you open your trace, there is a eval button on the top. Go on, click on this eval button. Then there are existing predefined evals. You can see there is an option to see custom eval. So you can see that add criteria from a file. So I'm going to select this, say OK. Then select your custom eval template, which we already created. So say add to that. The moment when you add, then you should be able to see the custom eval is added here. Then that is also selected by default. We can select this and say OK. The moment we say OK, then the eval job runs for this trace. We can track it here as part of the notifications. It is running. Yeah, so this brings the label, whatever we see here, either valid or ambiguous or invalid, with reasoning to this. Okay, so it says that user request is valid and it is whatever is intended. So that is what we see. I have one more trace wherein if you look at this trace, basically this is a flight and hotel booking agent. So now the user is trying to book a bus by using this. And let's try to run eval for this. So now we see the invalid because it cannot book buses. It can support only the hotel and flight booking. So basically the user request is invalid. That is where we got the invalid eval label. So like this, we can create as many as custom evals using this custom evaluation template. Then we can run against the different facts using Visual Studio Code. Thank you.